Okay, everyone, here's another quick broadcast from Barry J. Solomon. I just wanted to share another little bug fix that I found out in Kalatu. And I love using this Kalatu. Let me just tell you that first thing. This Kalatu blog right here, this is amazing. You can go right here. Let me show you how simple this thing is before I go into the bug fix. So let's say you want to start a blog. You click on create a post. And then this window pops up here, and it gives you a kind of a guide as far as creating your blog post. So you start typing stuff here and here, and you click on create my post. So let's just say, for example, what kind of item would you like to share? Website. Let's say survival blog. Survival blog. So you want to share that. So survival. Adjective that describes it. What subject are these items about? Survival, outdoor, prepping. Let's say that's your topic, and you can throw an image on there. Let me show you really quick how easy it is to throw an image on there. You just hit select image. You can upload files. Let's say there's an image that's not in here that I want to upload. Upload file, select file, and I can just go here to, let's say, this one, dad prepper with flashlight. Dad prepper with flashlight. Okay, so click here, open, and then the image populates here. Click set featured image. So this will be the featured image for that blog. And why are you sharing these items today? I want to let's say you're good at something and you want to share your techniques with the world. You want to share what you know, what you've learned with the world. And so the first item I would like to share is prepping for the worst. Being prepared. Global economic. Right? And there's no link, but let's say there's a link. Actually, let's go find a link. Let's find a website we can link out to. Prepare the economic collapse. So here's a website that's going to populate the economic collapse, and we can actually link to this person's blog, and this will actually give you some link juice on your blog. You link out to another person, link out to another website. I can select an image, but let's say, okay, here's the bug. Here's where the bug comes in. Let's say you do this one, and then you do this one, and then you want to add a third one. So let's say, what is the second item you would like to promote? Let's say best survival ever. Survival knife ever. Okay. All right, so now we go to the Google. We type in survival knife, or we'll just type in best survival knife. Survival knives, outdoor life. Click on that site, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. I want to make sure that it's something that I want to send people to. So let's say I'll send people out to that one. I'll go back to Kalatu, and where did it go? Okay, most popular survival knife. Here's the link to that website. What would you like to write about this item? So here in this area, we'll just do some maybe best popular knife ever review. And then the most popular survival knife in the world. And then we'll just write some review stuff about that knife. We'll go to the website. You go to the website, you read some of this text here, put it in your own words. Do not copy and paste. It's called plagiarism, and it is illegal. And the FBI and the CIA will come after you, guns drawn. So don't do that. So anyway, you take something like this text, you put it in your own words, and then you come back here to your Kalatu blog, and you just make a little summary of it, put it here. And here's the link. And it says, do you want to select an image? Which I'm not going to select an image. Select your call to action at the bottom of the post. Let's say social share. You want people to share it on their social media. And what does what you share in this post relate to the product? Let's say I hope you enjoy. Okay, here's where the bug comes in, and then it says create my post. So I have the first item here, and I have the second item here. And let's say I wanted to add another item. Here's where the bug that I have been finding comes in. When I click on this button and I add another item, for some reason, the item shows up on the blog post. I mean, here it shows up here, but when I hit create my post, and then I go to view the post. So there's the image. There's the main image that I just uploaded, that I selected for this post. You see how simple and how fast this was. Now here's my blog post. It took us what, 5 or 10 minutes to set this up, to do this blog post. There's my Facebook stuff. I don't know what happened to my profile picture yet exactly, but here's the tosurvivalblog.com. So if someone clicks on that link, nothing happened. Okay, I don't know why, but nothing happened. So click here to learn more about prepping for the worst. So if someone clicks on that link, it takes them to the economic collapse. Now remember, we wrote about that. This right here, this is where you write about that economic collapse. Click more to learn more about preparing for the worst. So you do a little summary about preparing for the worst here. Make your little summary. Then you can send people out to that website for more information. So you can say something like, here's another article here. Click here to learn more, or something like that. And so if you notice, it has number 1 and number 2, right? So that's the 1, that's the 2. And what the bug is when if I add another 3, if I add a third one, it doesn't show up down here for some reason. I don't know why. I haven't figured it out, but that's the bug that I need to figure out how we can get that fixed with Kalatu. That's the issue that I haven't been experiencing. So let me go back here. So here's number 1, here's number 2, and number 3 usually does not show up. So that's it. That's the bug that needs to get fixed with Kalatu. Otherwise, anything other than that, I love working with this blog. It's very fast, very simple. If someone were to click on this banner, this is how you make money with your blog, how you cash in on your passion. If someone was to click on that banner, they would go here, they would watch this video, they would get the training, they would get the internet, the training for their own blog, and everyone that is interested, that's how you start creating income online, because people click on your link, they watch the video, and they start to get in your business, as long as you're providing value on your blog. So stick with your niche market, provide value, to know what your market is, know who your target market is. My target market is people that want to create businesses online, and people that are into survival, because that's one of my passions. Is I love survival and flashlights and prepping for the worst, and food storage and bug out bags, and having everything prepared for my family, so that just in case the economic global collapse happens next month, we can be prepared for that, and we won't go hungry and we won't go thirsty. We'll have water purification, everything that we need. So that's one of my niche markets. And so that, and people who want to start an online business, those are my 2 niche markets that I'm going after. with my blog. So that's what you want to do. Hopefully they'll get these bugs. Hopefully someone in Kalatu, one of the administrators, can see this video and figure out what that bug is and get it fixed as soon as possible. Other than that, I love working with Kalatu. I have no other issues, but if I do come across, right now it's in beta. This is the actual beta version. So I'm one of the beta testers, and that's one of the blogs. That's one of the bugs that I found. Thanks for watching. Barry J. Solomon. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, comment below. Let me know if you thought this video was valuable to you. Thanks again for watching. Now I'm going to end this broadcast. Talk to you soon. Barry J. Solomon.